another episode of Basketball TV. Today we're not fishing, we're going to be smoking tenderloin and some chicken. And I'm going to show you guys fire management for logs. If you don't do your fire management well, your food's going to taste like crap. If you do it right, excellent. So guys, let's get up there. Not every fire log is going to fit every smoker. This will fit more of an industrial smoker. We have our Outback smoker. So what we got to do is we got to cut this down to size. And I use my trusty old miter saw to do so. So make sure you do that before you get going. To start my fire and to warm up my grill, I'll use charcoal. It won't burn as good as the wood and won't get the fire as hot, but just a warm smoker is perfect. Some people use big torches to do this. For industrial, we have a smaller smoker here, so we're just going to use a regular torch. Get it going. Starting to heat up. I'm trying to get some coals. We're going to put a couple small pieces of wood on there and get them started. Once they start catching on fire and the smoke clears, we start getting a good smoke as far as a clear smoke, a blue smoke. Right now, this is heavy molecules. This is not high enough flame. When it gets hot and plenty of oxygen, we're going to give it and starts barely seeing smoke. Then we're going to go ahead and start grilling. So normally when I'm just conventionally grilling with charcoal and I'm not actually smoking something, I would be using the vent right here to control the heat and stuff. But since we're smoking, we want this to get a lot of oxygen and get very hot. And that's what's going to help get rid of that dirty smoke and a light blue smoke and where we can barely see smoke. So this is what I was talking about. We're going to give it plenty of oxygen. Up top, the smokestack's wide open. Everything's going to be wide open. We got plenty of wood to throw on there. Here and there, you'll see a little bit of smoke if I put new wood on there, but then it goes away. As you guys can see, the smoke is ready. You cannot see any smoke come out, just emissions. That's it. You see the rise of the heat. That's it. That is what we're looking for. We got a hot flame. It's filled with plenty of oxygen, plenty of heat. Now we're definitely ready to smoke. So we put a tenderloin on there. We're gonna turn these into some barbecue chicken. And these have been marinated in peri-peri sauce. So that's gonna bring a lot of spice and stuff. So let's get cooking on this. And I'll show you guys as I'm going the fire management. All right guys, here's the important part. Flames are starting to dry down, losing a little bit of heat. This is what we're talking about. Wood management, heat management. I'm gonna put another little piece of wood in there. Let that start catching on fire, and when that catches on fire and looking good, then we're gonna shut it again. Actually, I put a couple more pieces on there just to get it going. But that's what we're looking for. It's charring, it's making coals. There we go. And that'll bring it back up to temperature where we want. Keep on letting it smoke. As you can see, it's burning nice and clean still. That's what we're looking for. All right, so it's been smoking for about an hour. We're going to continuously spray our meat down so it does not dry out. We want nice and moist meat. As it gets cooking, we're going to add more seasoning as we go. But we're starting to finally get a little bit of a bark there. You can see it looking good. Now we got about 2 hours going for smoking. We're going to add a little barbecue sauce to the chicken. Everything's got a nice crust on it. It's time to start adding some flavor. Let's blaze these things up. Our pork tenderloin is about 140 degrees. We're going to start putting some barbecue sauce on there and start throwing that glaze up on it. We're starting to lose a little bit of heat again. Put some nice sized log in there. There you all go. She's flaming. Here's the moment we've been waiting for. Let's check this stuff out. Man, it's coming out good. Look at the smoke ring around that thing, nice and red. It's as juicy as can be. Man, you can't do no better than this. Man, even the chicken got a nice smoke ring. Guys, if you like the video, hit the like button down below. Hit the bell button so you can be notified every time I upload. Guys, I will see you next time on Bass All Fishing TV.